Have you been setting goals only to never achieve them? Are you tired of setting the same goal over and over again? Are you stuck in a rut and don't know how to achieve your goals? If so, this video is for you. Here at Happy and Ahead, we'll show you a guaranteed foolproof way of achieving any goal. There are 5 stages to this process. Stage 1. Preparing and planning. Okay, so hopefully you have a goal in mind that you want to achieve. If you need some inspiration with choosing a goal, see our Reinvent video, which we will link in the description below. In the first stage, you want to correctly prepare and lay the groundwork to achieve your goal. This involves visualizing, journaling, tooling up, and resetting. The first step in stage 1 is to clearly visualize the goal by going on Google Images or Pinterest or using magazines to select pictures that most closely represent what you're trying to achieve with your goal. For example, if losing weight and getting fit is on your goal, it might be pictures of someone with a fit body, a super cute gym workout set, a gym membership, delicious healthy meals, someone achieving a 5K, or whatever you visualize when you think of success in achieving that goal. Remember, it doesn't matter if these pictures seem unrealistic to you. As long as they feel positive and you feel inspired by them, that's all that matters. The next step is to create a vision board with all these pictures on it. This could be a physical board or a digital board. Make sure you look at this board every day, so have it somewhere where you will look at it. It could be looking at it every morning whilst brushing your teeth or getting dressed. You could make multiple copies and place them around your house. If you want to keep it private, you could have it at the front of your journal, diary, or planner, or in your phone. To make this visualizing even stronger, you could get a physical object, which is your reward for achieving your goal. This could be an engraved bracelet congratulating yourself on achieving your goal, or it could be getting yourself your dream pair of trainers or membership to a fancy gym. These types of rewards can be very motivational and send a powerful signal that you have confidence in yourself that you will achieve your goal. Step 2. Next, invest in a journal. See the links in the description below for some cute journals, or you could put it in your notes app on your phone. Looking at your vision board, imagine you have achieved this goal. In words using the present and past tense, describe how you achieved this goal. Do this as a bullet point checklist. Include what you did, what were your challenges and successes. How do you feel now? What does it mean to you? How has your life changed because of it? How is your day-to-day life different? What has surprised you about achieving it? Has it led to any other opportunities? How do you look and feel? You should read this at least once a week and feel free to add to it. You could also record yourself and then play it back to yourself, for example, when you're driving to work. Step 3. Tools. Looking at your vision board and journal. What tools and resources do you need or will make achieving your goal easier? What would guarantee your success? This could be simple things like creating some YouTube playlists which will help you to achieve your goals. For example, a meal prep playlist or a fitness playlist. Do the same with a music playlist or an inspirational movie playlist that will help motivate you. Perhaps you need a workout set or some equipment. If money is an issue, start small. You could even borrow things from friends and family. Step 4. The last step in this preparing stage is to reset. This will allow you to make room for achieving your new goal. Start by having a physical and digital declutter of your space. Next, have a reset of your mind and body by resting and taking a break and doing things that make you feel recharged. Then try to create an environment and acquire the things that get you closer to the experiences that someone who has achieved your goal actually has. You can start small to begin with and then gradually build on this. It doesn't matter if it seems out of sequence. We are willing them into existence and into our life. Stage 2. Goal setting. This stage will help you get from where you are to where you want to be. First, write down your goal. Make sure that it's very clearly defined and specific and that it's achievable, measurable, and has a deadline. So instead of saying I will get fit, you will say I will be able to run 10K by December 31st this year. Next, write down all the steps you'll need to take to get to your goal. What steps would you need to take to guarantee your success? Divide these steps into 2 categories. Firstly, one-off events which, when completed, do not need to be repeated, such as buying your running trainers, and secondly, tasks or habits which will need to be repeated on a daily basis. So to run a 10K, you will need time every week or every day to run. Step 3 in this stage is to schedule your one-off tasks into your calendar. So take all the one-off tasks and try to put them in a rough order. Then allocate each of the tasks to each quarter or 3 months of a year. So you have 12 weeks to complete the first set of tasks so that by the end of the year, all your one-off tasks will be done. Step 4 is to create a habit tracker for all the tasks that will need repeating regularly. You could do this by adding them to a physical or digital habit tracker. Be realistic and only choose habits that will have the biggest impact, up to a maximum of maybe 5 new habits in the year. At the end of each week, record how many times you ticked off your habit. Record this each week on a scorecard to help you monitor your progress. Take each habit week by week, adding a new habit each week once you've mastered the first. And the final step in stage 2 is to try to identify any obstacles that you think may come up. Look to the past, present, and future. What has prevented you in the past? Why have you failed previously? What could happen in the future? What will be your biggest current challenge? Try to brainstorm all the possible obstacles. For each obstacle, try to come up with 5 possible solutions. Ask yourself, how could I guarantee that I don't fail? You could get support on this by asking a trusted friend or researching possible solutions. Put these solutions into action or make sure you have easy access to them. Stage 3, motivation. Okay, so you've started. That's great. But how do you keep going and stay motivated? How do you make sure that you don't run out of steam and burn out? Well, there are a few tips and tricks you can try out. 1. Use manifestation. Imagine you have achieved the goal. Write down how your life has changed. Now try to physically create and manifest this new life. You may not be able to act all of it out, but even acting out small parts of it will fuel your motivation. 2. Romanticize the journey. Ask yourself, how can you make the process of achieving your goal more enjoyable and fun? 3. The next step is to assign rewards for each week you achieve a high score on your habit scorecard and when you achieve your one-off tasks. Try to choose rewards that will help you, rather than hinder your journey to achieving your goal. You could also have small rewards for achieving smaller goals and bigger rewards for achieving bigger milestones. 4. To avoid burnout and achieve your goals, you need to recharge your batteries. Ask yourself each week, how do you feel and what do you need and want? Schedule in your planner at least a 3-hour block of time each week where you give yourself what you want. This self-care block needs to be pre-planned and scheduled into your planner as a non-negotiable. This could be a do-nothing afternoon or to spend time doing something you enjoy. 5. Use gratitude. On your journey to the top, do not forget to thank the universe for all your blessings. At the end of each day or week, write down 3 things that you genuinely felt grateful for. Again, regularly look back over these. Gratitude is the greatest vibrational frequency that you can operate at. It's going to enhance your mood and speed up your manifestations to help you attract so much more into your life. 6. Reflect and document your journey of progress. This could be written, photos, a video diary, an audio, or a mix of these. Take the time to regularly reflect, maybe at the end of each month, and to celebrate on your progress and to set new mini monthly goals. 7. The final step in stage 3 is to know how to get back up after setbacks. Write a list of what your possible obstacles could be. Then try to come up with 5 ways for each one of how you will get back up after these challenges. Create a setback box into which you will place things that you can open which will help you on your journey to overcoming any potential challenges. Stage 4. Seek out support mechanisms. This could be from friends, family, or mentors, but pick these people carefully. Not everyone will want or be able to support you with your goals. Start hanging out with different people and expanding your circle and widening your network. Talk to people who are in the place that you want to be, not to get anything from them. They can just be people you talk to and catch up with every now and again, but just the fact that they're in that place normalizes that experience to you that you can be in this world, and you belong there, and you're also going to get there one day. You could also have a YouTube playlist podcasts, films, or a library of books to help you, or courses that you go on to help you on your journey. Stage 5. The final stage is the progress and feedback loop. At the end of each month and each quarter, set aside some time to celebrate and reward your progress. Give yourself some constructive feedback. What is going well? And what could be improved? Use this time to set or amend your plan for the next quarter and check if you are on target to meet your yearly goals. We guarantee if you follow the 5 stages in this video, you will achieve every goal you set and truly amaze yourself. So why not take the first step today to a new you by adding this video to your playlist to watch again when you want some extra support? Let us know what your first goal is going to be in the comments below. If you want some ideas with choosing a goal, check out our Reinvent Yourself in 3 Simple Steps video, which we'll link below. We can't wait to be part of your journey in helping you to achieve your goals and celebrate in your success. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you hit subscribe, like this video, and comment down below what you'd like to see next. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.